in the series of how do we find new customers for a young or a fledgling cleaning company. Joel, you talked about exclusives. What do you mean by that?
Exclusive groups. That means that you have to actually apply for membership to the group. It's not a guarantee that you're going to become a member of this group. It also means that there is exclusivity and that there is one company per seat. Let's explain that a little deeper. The seat might be commercial cleaning, and there are people that sometimes think, oh, well, I can do home cleaning services, I can do commercial cleaning services, I can do carpet. No, what they're going to do is each one of those is a specific seat. So there could be a potential home cleaning service. There could be potentially a commercial cleaning service. There could potentially be a cleaning consultant, a chemical manufacturer, an equipment manufacturer, a carpet cleaner, a disaster restoration company, floor. What you're looking for, particularly in the exclusive places, is you want diversity within your industry. Now, a lot of these groups might be smaller. By smaller, I mean 20 to 25 people. And there's some parts, and there's some, people. There might be a financial planner, a marketer, insurance agent, a real estate agent, a mortgage banker, a residential attorney. So you have some of the parts.
So there's a lot of industries represented in something like this.
There is. But the thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're building your platform within there. You want companies that are going to be going after the same types of people that you're going after. So I happen to sit in one that I've been in about 18 years. There's a couple members that have been there almost 20 years. And over the years, the members themselves are the ones that are charged with building their, we'll call it a power circle or a power team, to help increase the revenue for what they're doing. And I have seen people in the past sit in a group and they want to hog all the seats in a category and wonder why nobody's referring to them. I have worked very hard to find people in my industry that want to be a part of this and be able to build, and we can share clients, because I can't be an expert at everything.
Right.
If I'm an expert at one thing and can drill deep, I'm going to get a lot more oil than casting a broad net and catching minnows.
Yeah.
So the benefit of what I've been able to do is the last 4 years, I've been able to generate over $500,000 of business to my business.
Okay, stop. Say that again. One more time, a little slower. The last 4 years?
The last 4 years, I have been able to generate over $500,000 of business to my business because of these exclusive groups, because I have the right people sitting around me to share, and the individuals that are in the seats that we share customers with have been there now 2 and 3 years. So obviously they're finding a similar benefit to me. I don't know how much they make. I don't ask that question. But because we're able to share the same types of customers, we're able to grow our businesses.
So if I understand correctly, part of the goal here is having people in adjacent industries who are either connected to or calling on your customers, but they're not doing what you do.
Correct, because we want to make sure that we're becoming the expert in one piece of the entire pie. Because I'd rather take 1% of something than 0% of nothing, or 100% of nothing. Because if I don't have people referring to me, I can't exist. And taking a smaller piece, I've been able to drill and be very good at what I do, and I'm the go-to person. So other people in the group, that when they come across a customer for us that might not be a natural fit, they can still refer to our group, and we can help decide who would be the best person to go in and get the piece. If they're looking for the cleaning company, we'll give it to one person. If we're looking for the chemistry person first, that's who we're going to send in first, because that's what the client is in need of at the moment, and that's what they're going to purchase. And then when that person is able to make the sale, they can start talking about the other members.
Again, referring back to the
and bring us in on their coattails, as we call it.
So what I think I'm hearing you say is taking all those different specialties and, you want to close your sale, but putting the customer's needs first.
The customer's needs first, absolutely. And it can even get outside of the cleaning realm, because maybe we get a landscaper, because that's a normal talking point, what we would talk to with a facilities manager.
Got it.